The Rako ceiling mount dimmers can be used to control mains or low voltage lighting. For inductive or wire wound lighting types, the RDL modules, like this one, should be used. We also make an RDT 500 dimmer which offers quieter operation with electronic low voltage transformers, and it offers short circuit protection against GU10 lamp failures which can be notoriously harsh. The RDT must not be used with inductive or wire wound loads, but they are fine for the RDL like this one. Make sure the lighting circuits are turned off. First, take the light switch off the wall. Then disconnect the common and the switch line. And simply put these together like so. With a suitably addressed Rako switch, in this case we have house 7, room 5. Is then fixed to the wall. Simply pull down the fitting. Transformer, and all we do is cut the feed wire. With a dimmer in the feed cable, obviously switch the power back on and address in the usual way. Then simply plug it all back to the inverter hole, making sure all the cables are out of the way, and pop the light feed back in.